I've got to clean the boot of the car. I did a full service on my car today, and obviously I chucked all the oil stuff in the boot, and oil's gone everywhere. So I got bin liner gloves and some kitchen roll, and I'm just going to soak up as much oil as possible. We're going away today. We're actually going down to West Sussex, you know, where I'm originally from, because it's the 17th of May, you can eat inside, you can mix, and it's my birthday this week. So, all in one, we're going down south, but I've got to clean Frances out because the neighbour's coming over to check on her this week, so we've got to do that. Then I've got to pack.
Mercadona, supermercados de confianza.
Bags packed, going away for a week. My clothes and then my day bag with my laptop and stuff in it. I've stripped the bed so the bed can air out while we're away. And this is a heavy thing. Camera charger. Camera charger. Forgot my camera charger. You ready to go?
No.
Okay, let's go. Look where I am. Well, I'm actually at my mum's house. You guys might not recognise my mum's house because this is a completely different house to where my mum used to live, to where I lived in before I was kicked out. Anyway, this is my mum's house. We stayed here last night. That's right, it's now Tuesday, not Monday. Yesterday was an extremely busy day. I was up at 7 in the morning, did a complete oil change and oil filter change on my car, and then we had to sort out the whole flat, clean out the flat, make sure Frances was okay, and then, you know, our neighbours come up and check on Frances. We have cameras, so we have seen them do that, which is great. Now my mum's with my mum's rabbit down there, which is good, and it's Tuesday today and my birthday is tomorrow. So we have got a few plans for this week. Like, we know what we're doing Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But as for today and tomorrow, no plans really. I have an idea of what I want to do today. So my girlfriend's just in the shower and we're going to be going out to Chichester, probably. She's never been to Chichester. And I haven't been to Chichester in years, literally. Jesus, it's been ages since I've done anything because I'm not from the south anymore. I'm a northerner, so it's weird being back down south. Hello everyone, we're in Chichester. Yeah, Chichester. It's been a while since I've been here. Yeah. We've ended up in this little cafe and we've got the whole upstairs to ourselves. the night before my birthday, we're staying here. The Comfort Inn in Arundel. Come and find us.
It doesn't really look that clean.
Neither does the mirror. The mirror's dirty as heck. Should we get another room? Now here's a montage of some bad bits of the room. I said that's it. It's night before. So they're looking at Kuiz. Oh, it's not a black.
I would love to get to know you, if it's okay with you. We haven't spoken much aside from hellos. It's all blue and new for me. Down in a pretty palace, we can have you right through. If you'd like to go with me, we got a lot of feelings you can chew. If you're ready for that.
Hello. Right, so we've changed room because the last room was disgusting. We're still going to get a refund. We've tried calling the previous numbers and, you know, the business numbers and that. So we've changed to this room, which at the moment looks pretty good except for the hole in the wall. But apart from that, this room looks, feels and smells about 100 times better. It's only one night. We can deal with one night. It's just... As an apology for an awful room, they've given us alcohol. Da 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 da.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's alright.
And indeed, when we contacted the range, it apologised to Anna Marie and said it would be issuing her with... Oh, I do love Anna Marie.
Yeah, little tiny bottles.
Gift bag, and I'm
Yeah.
going to be like,
We'll have them.
yeah.
I need one of those cameras so I can start recording my own videos. Do you see this?
You're doing alright.
Ah, damn it, I can't flip it.
You've got a hole in your trousers.
That's a silly hope not.
At the bottom.
Where?
No, it
No.
might, no, it's
No.
alright. You just look like...
These are reasonably new.
No, it was just a reflection
Okay,
of the way they're like
I
folded
do
up.
Hello.
Hi Ollie.
You alright? How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing good, mate. Coming to say goodbye.
Bye.
It's my birthday today, so I'm 22, and today I've seen family, been out, went out for lunch, went out to the pub. How cool was that? I just had like ham, egg and chips, so that was fun, and then I had a birthday cake which was made. My dad made me a vegan birthday cake, which is always cool because my mum's vegan. Spent some time with my family, and we're off now. We're actually moving up the country, not completely out the way yet. We're stopped off at a co-op. My girlfriend's gone in, so I'm just gonna go in and see her. Well, my birthday evening was a success. We stayed at a hotel. This is the back of the hotel, if you care. It's actually a converted pub. It's pretty cool. I'd filmed the inside, but I'm sure there's some photos that I can add like here, here, and here, because my girlfriend took some photos and some videos and stuff. As for the night, it was lovely. It was a great little hotel. We're up in Surrey, so we're now going off to go see my girlfriend's mother for coffee. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go. Where are you? Da 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 dun dun. Hello, Gavin. Not for camera. Not for camera, mate. Not for camera.
Hello.
This trip down south is absolutely non-stop. We've gone to the hotel, we've checked in, I left immediately. I'm off to go see my granddad, you know, my grandfather that I lived with for a year because he's a great bloke. I'm in traffic, I need to get fuel, I need to be at his in 15 minutes, and I'm not nearby. So, we're gonna try and get there as quick as possible. I'm hoping to be less than 15 minutes late. 15 minutes late, 2 roads away. Why have they put pinch points in? Oh wow, no, that has sprouted, hasn't it?
Yeah, I've got 2 others like that.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah. I just put in a load of pips, that was all.
Okay. Just worry about it going over the car driving up
Oh,
north
yeah, I
again, you know?
understand.
So.
Yeah, I understand.
And it's 20 degrees in here.
Sorry?
And it's 20 degrees in here.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel it.
Oh, well, I thought you might like it.
Yeah, no, thank you, Grandad.
Cool.
That's good.
Only cost a lemon. Here we are. Good luck.
Cheers, Grandad.
See you in July then.
Yes, hopefully July, but don't break my foot again.
Oh, I hope you.
He is doing very well, isn't it?
Yeah, it was only a little chap when he bought it.
I remember. I remember going up to the church doing it. And you're more than welcome up north. Hello YouTube, welcome to Travel Lodge. This is the Travel Lodge room. We're in this room for the next 2 days. Till Saturday. Today is Thursday. We're going out tonight, we're going into town, and then we don't know what we're doing tomorrow, and then we're leaving Saturday. Ha 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 ha. Airport Inn. That's where we parked last night. We went out last night, and it was such a mental night, you see, because I had 1 drink. Everyone had 1 drink, and then my friend Noel, who's got knee problems, got us kicked out because we'd been served too much because he looked wobbly. Noel looked wobbly last night. So the night was about an hour and a half long. We did have a jagged potato though. So yeah, alright. We're off now to go get you some food because she's got a favourite food place around here? Yeah, okay. Let's go. So whilst the other half has gone to see her friends, I'm off to go and see the one and the only Kuiz! We gotta leave in 10 minutes. I'm not even dressed. I've got to pack. And then I've got to drive. Just tired today. You know, just... I've had a hot chocolate this morning, but apart from that, it's just tired. Well, Travel Lodge, it's been good. This has been Travel Lodge, Gatwick Airport Central. I've stayed here a few times over the last year, and I'll tell you, it's the best Travel Lodge I've been to. The normal floors, they're alright, they've all been done up way better than any other Travel Lodge. But if you can get floor 6, you get a coffee machine and hot chocolate and stuff. So, yeah, try and get floor 6 if you're over here. Travel Lodge, Gatwick Airport. 20 quid a night. Pfft, can't go wrong. Anyways, it's now time to leave Surrey, West Sussex, where we've been, and go home to Cheshire, Warrington, where we've been living for the last 7 months. So, as we jump in the car and go on the drive, we reminisce about the last week, about how everything's been, going out with friends, seeing family, and it's time to say goodbye to it all. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Boom. Warwickshire. 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 The other half needs food.
But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here?
Bye.
I try to be everything that I can.
Sometimes I come out as being nothing. I try to be everything that I can, but sometimes I come out as being nothing. I pray to God that He make me a better man.